Hello, I am Christopher Lewis and have been working as a work experience student on something called Modeling for All. And for fun and giggles, I have decided to make a small video on how to debug common errors in it. Well, first, the way you would get to it normally is by going to the Modeling for All website and clicking on Try the Software. However, because that's cumbersome right now, I have in fact prepared something already. So this is a program that is meant to animate cars which will then all move forward and then they will increase in speed over time. So the commands used are move forward and then with the speed you go each time forwards by my speed. My speed is determined by the previous my speed plus my acceleration. So after each time period, the speed should increase by 0.5, which is, in this case, what I set my acceleration to. So, on to debugging. When I first try to run this model, once it finishes loading, which it has never had to do before, okay, typical. Oh yes, then we get the error, nothing named my has been defined. So if we previously look at the places where we have used words like my, we find that they are in places such as my speed, where in fact Modeling Fool has an annoying thing where when making attributes they always have to be my dash speed and or whatever, otherwise they do nothing. So on removing all of these, this error should go away. Okay, so with that, hopefully, this will now work. Right, so with that done, the model will actually load. Then setup will set up the model, and then you hit go to make it go. Right, however, here we come across problem number 2. None of the cars are actually moving. So in order to fix this, we're going to use logging tools. So the first thing to do when starting to log is go to the composer and add a new prototype. This is just for convenience, especially when your projects get more complicated, and rename it something such as observer. And then make it an invisible agent so it doesn't show up. With that done, go to the library and find, which I should have just remembered, but anyway, what's it called? Right, this may need to get edited out anyway. In fact,